I just got up. I'm tired. I'm trying to look for some lip gloss in my bag. Don't mind these clothes. These are them Walmart clothes. The pants, rather, that I did not hang up and did not wear. We about to go downstairs. I just got finished taking my shower and getting myself together. Today is Monday. I'm taking a self-care day, okay? I did not go to work today. I am enjoying the day. I know I sound kind of dry and draggy, but I'm gonna pick it up. I promise I'm gonna pick it up. So yesterday we just pretty much cleaned up, cooked. I had to do a lot of cleaning yesterday. And then I'm gonna tell you a little fun story about my dishwasher. I'm gonna tell you something funny. So anywho, let's oh my God, just thinking about it, I'm just getting tickled, but yet I'm getting disgusted at the same time. However, today it's just gonna be a real heavy content day for me. Even though I took the day off to have some self-care for myself, I still have to put into myself, which is my content and my channel. So I'm going to record 2 videos today, and I have one already in the bag, and I gotta edit that one, and then I'm gonna just pretty much upload all 3 of them. This shirt is tight. That's how I know I'm gaining weight, when things is tight. I can see my face, even though I have a long face, it's just getting fuller. So I gotta get it together before the well, I don't, 'cause who cares? My brain is like this right now. But I'm gonna make some coffee. I want to keep this video as real as possible, as I always do. I don't want to be chopping and cutting things out. And yeah, y'all, I had something I wanted to share with you guys this morning. But at this point, who cares? I'm just happy I'm vlogging and I'm talking to you guys, because I feel like my last couple of videos I wasn't talking. So I need to run my mouth and get this out of me so I can, you know, feel good. So we'll make some coffee, go talk downstairs and say about this damn dishwasher, and then we're gonna get into some content. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you some things that I use and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me tell you guys about this dishwasher. So I'm not a real big dishwasher user at all. I'm not a dishwasher user. I'm more of a sink girl. So I remember when I first moved into this house, the builder had said, just run your appliances, run your stuff, you know, just to kind of, you know, get everything going. He said, especially your dishwasher. He was like, let it run so the water can go through and stuff like that. I remember like yesterday, I ran the dishwasher, not knowing that this thing has a setting on here where it can do a damn 2-hour wash. But see, I wasn't paying attention to it because I didn't, you know, I'm not a dishwasher girl, so I don't be looking at it. And I remember it was running for so long, and I was like, damn, this thing got to stop. So I just hit the stop button, not knowing anything. So, was it yesterday? Yesterday, I wanted to use the dishwasher because, you know, we was cooking, we had so much dishes, and I was like, I'm tired, I don't have enough energy. Dishwasher, this is the time, you know, you use it, because usually around the holidays, I use the dishwasher because you got so many pots and pans on all these dishes and stuff, and my hands can't take it. So I opened it, and I was like, this thing stinks. And I'm like, why does it stink? I don't even use it. When it was running before for that 2-hour go, I just stopped it. Meanwhile, the water was still sitting at the bottom. So I looked in it and I was like, is that like glass? Like, you know, do dishwashers have glass? And like, you know, it got mold on it. Like, what is that? So I took a paper towel and I was like, okay, I'm gonna wipe it up and see. Because if not, I can just go ahead and just, you know, wipe it out with a rag and, you know, get it clean. It was moldy water. Y'all, you talking about somebody screaming, making a noise. I had to run the dishwasher. So let me show you. So now the dishwasher is clean. I had to run it, and then I ran some I cleaned like, you know, regular dishes and stuff. So now what I want to do, because I did have the little thing that you lay right here when you can have your dishes and whatnot, when you want to let them dry. So now I'm going to use my dishwasher as a dish rack. And then, you know, let it dry and then put everything up. Because I don't want nothing on the counter anymore. I like that look. I don't like stuff on the counter. So, not sponsored. But my daughter put me onto these. She likes these. She used these at her house. This is the Cascade Platinum Oxy Dawn. It's like a whole thing. Y'all, when I tell you, this is the fresh scent. When I tell you, the dishes were smelling so good. It was like as if you hand wash and wash dishes. So, to tell you that long story, I wanted to share that with you guys. Y'all, pay attention to the dishwasher, because if you don't, you're going to be like me. And you don't want to do that. But anywho, let's make some coffee. Okay, y'all, so we are upstairs. I got my coffee. I found my mug, my K. It's for a left-handed person. I'm right-handed, so for me to show my K, I have to be like this. But what I'm getting ready to do right now is I'm getting ready to just write down what I need to do for my videos today, because like I said, today's gonna be a heavy content day for me. And then I'm gonna start recording one video. I'm trying to think if I like this angle. Do you guys like this angle? It's kind of looking wonky because this light is behind me. But normally when you have a light behind you, it makes the camera look clear. If it was, let me see the back of my head. If it was like this. So I'm gonna have to play with my settings to get it right. Okay, you guys are a little bit crooked, but that's okay. So I want to share with you this camera. Yes, there is a Walmart bag over my camera. Now, when I do like the shower routines and anything in the bathroom where water can possibly get on my camera, I will cover my camera. Now, this is a kit lens. I use this, and then I have my viewfinder that's over here on my camera. Now this is something that I use, like I said, if I'm doing my makeup videos or my shower videos, anything where I just need the camera to keep still, you know, and I don't need for it to move, and it's gonna give me some good quality, I use this one. Most of the time, this is the camera that I'm using if I'm doing anything related to like hygiene, self-care, stuff like that, because it's so super sharp and so super clear. Now what I'm recording on is my Canon G7X Mark II. Love this camera. It's super sharp. You just, for me, you can't go wrong. I am thinking about getting the Sony ZV-1, but I'm not in the business of buying multiple batteries. I've never bought multiple batteries, and I understand when you record a lot, you need a lot of batteries. And I've been in the game for a minute, but I just don't do the multiple battery thing. I just don't do it. So yeah, that's probably, yeah, that might be something I need to get into, multiple batteries. And then I use this right here. This is my ring light. When I'm using natural light, like right now, you see how clear and sharp this is? I don't need to put any light on. I just use my natural light. And I do like this angle, so yeah. I might do my makeup over here, because I want to do a makeup video for you guys. So that's gonna be coming soon. Something to deal with drugstore, affordable, so you know we can have our makeup together. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look good, you know. You really don't have to. So especially in this economy now, especially when we're already in a recession, but you know, these next few months things is gonna be happening, so they say, you know. So they say, we don't know. I know I'm not an economist, so I don't know, but yeah, these are things that I use pretty much on, when I'm recording, these are my main key players. I do have some box lights that I have not yet brought upstairs and to put in here. But yeah, let's get to going. I want to change my shirt. I want to drink some more coffee. I gotta write down a few things, and then I'm going to get to recording. And then later on, we're gonna go to Walmart. I might go hang out at Trader Joe's. I'm not too sure, but I know we definitely have to go to Walmart because I need butter, milk, and eggs. Nah. I need a few things from Walmart, just a few. And I was at Walmart. I should have picked it up, or at Target, but I know I need some butter for sure. I need some bread, and I need some things for breakfast, just like little breakfast things on the go, like maybe some muffins and granola bars and things like that, just so I can have for when I go to work. I need some more creamer. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys I'm running my mouth now. I didn't even tell you guys the update on that creamer that I have. I do like it. It's just that I'm used to, like, the creamers, they're more thicker. That oat milk creamer that I picked up from California, somebody. My daughter drinks their 2% milk and she loves it. And the oat milk, not 2%, the oat milk, that's what she drinks. I want to get into it because it's gluten-free and it definitely helps me with like digestion and things like that. However, my palate is still used to something more thick and more creamy in regards to like a creamer versus a oat milk creamer or almond milk. It's very thin. Like almond milk, not so much, but the one that's in the stores, but if you make it yourself, it's very, very thin, you know. So I'm getting used to the thinness. So yeah, let me get to writing and then we're gonna get to recording. Well, I'm not gonna record because I'm recording this, but we're gonna hang out. I was looking for my makeup wipes. I just finished recording this video. I'm not wiping off my makeup. I'm gonna go out and I'm definitely wearing my makeup out, even though I'm taking me a self-care day. I want to record this video for you guys because your girl gotta get back into her makeup. I got to. So I'm doing this. I have one more video to record. I'm doing really good. And yeah, y'all, I have to do another part. I think a part 3, episode 3 of Day in Life of a Content Creator. I'm definitely gonna, keep that going. And I think I'm gonna put an extra spin onto it. In addition to me sharing with you guys what it's like just being a content creator, I want to share like my journey. I want to set a goal for myself and I want to take you on that journey with me. So any of you who want to be a content creator, that may have been doing as long as I have or may just starting out, just to kind of show that you can, for lack of better words, rehabilitate your channel or whatever the case may be, or even just start your business and get it going and get it flourishing, and still at the same token serving people, if you will. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I am feeling myself. Now the crazy part, doing your makeup in a row, now it's like, okay, how you gonna get your shirt on, Kelly? How you gonna get your shirt on? So I'm feeling myself. I did that thing. I did that. Now I want to go to Sephora and buy makeup. Now I want to go to the freaking drugstore and buy makeup. We're not doing that. We are not doing that. But let's put some clothes on and we're going to go ahead and head out and we're going to go and hit up Wally World. What's up, y'all? All over the place today. I went to the grocery store, did what I had to do, took off my makeup. Let me tell you guys something. It's gonna be in the other vlog, but I got this, I think it's called Verse. Let's go see. Here, this stuff right here, yeah, Verse. This, y'all, I took off my makeup, right? And then I put this on. My face was so soft. Sometimes when you use those makeup wipes, it doesn't matter what brand, to me. Right here, use these wipes to take your makeup off. You can be a little dry and you cleanse your face and so forth, but you could put something on to kind of keep it moisturized. this right here worked so nice, so nice. But yeah, I just want to come in and end the vlog off because your girl's been busy. I want to kind of come in and just chit chat with you guys. Didn't do much of nothing, just ran some couple of errands. I've been doing content all day, and now I'm getting ready to sit down, edit, and my goal is to post all the videos and get it out so I can start fresh. Because the way my brain works is I need to be current. If I owe a video for like last week, I need to get that video up. But let me know about what I mentioned to you guys before about what was I asking you guys? I was asking you guys about sharing my journey on setting a specific goal and taking you along the ride with me. So kind of a similar goal is like seeing if my consistency in my channel, like just making milestones, you know, because I want to be YouTube related, because I know a lot of people like YouTube and watch YouTube. Like me, I'm not a TV watcher at all. I cannot tell you anything about reality TV. I don't watch Netflix. I don't watch Hulu. I watch YouTube. So, and then a lot of times I don't watch a lot of it. It depends on the moment and, you know, what goes on in my day. But if I'm watching something, it will be YouTube. So I want to share with you, I know I'm saying this all wrong. I want to share with you a journey that I'm trying to do. I don't know how to put it. I think it's a journey of just being consistent, and then just showing like hard times that come in between. You know, I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I just want to take you on a ride. And I think it'll be something really good to share and to bring onto the channel. What do you guys think? Let me know.